Hello and welcome to the Google Cloud Platform from Zero to Hero, the complete guide course. In this course, we will learn about one of the most popular cloud platforms out there, the Google Cloud Platform, or GCP. But first, let's ask ourselves, why cloud? What's so important with it that warrants a dedicated course for it? Well, here are the reasons for that. First, 90% of software companies use the cloud these days, which makes the cloud an essential skill in the modern software industry. Next, the global cloud market is expected to reach $1.2 trillion by 2027. That's a trillion with a T. You definitely want to be part of this huge market. Cloud infrastructure spending surpassed $87 billion in 2022. And again, you want to take part in this kind of spending. And finally, about a third of companies' IT budget goes for cloud services. This is a huge percent, and it reflects the large demand there is in the market for the cloud. So the bottom line here is simple and clear. The world is going to the cloud. And don't get left behind. So, we now know why learning about the cloud is important, but why Google Cloud Platform? Why would you want to learn it? Well, first, it's the third largest public cloud in the industry, which means that quite a few organizations are using it, especially considering that most organizations use more than one cloud. In addition, Google Cloud has a high growth rate, and more organizations are joining it by the day. That means there is a constant high demand for Google Cloud experts, and after completing this course, you will definitely be an expert in this platform. Now note, in order to take this course, you don't have to know anything about cloud in general, and specifically, you don't have to know anything about Google Cloud. We are going to learn everything from the start. And we are going to do that with a lot of hands-on on Google Cloud. This is not a theoretical course, but a practical, down-to-earth course that will actually show you how to best use Google Cloud. In fact, we are going to build a full-blown cloud system, and we will start from here all the way to this. And of course, right now you have no idea what you are looking at, but by the end of this course, you will be well versed in cloud architectures like this one. By the end of this course, you will know what is the cloud, you will know what is the Google Cloud Platform and what you can do with it. You will learn how to use its services in the best way possible. You will learn how to design modern, secure, reliable cloud apps. And most importantly, you will become a great cloud architect. Now note, this course is different than other cloud courses. It is very practical and put strong emphasis on hands-on work and on stuff you will actually use in the real world. But that's not all. At the end of this course, you can download the Google Cloud Architecture Summary, which is the ultimate practical guide to help you design great cloud architecture on the cloud platform. This handbook summarizes all what we will learn in this course, and you can use it while working on your own project as guidance for designing great cloud systems in the Google Cloud Platform. So, who am I? My name is Memi Lavi, a senior software architect and consultant with more than 20 years of experience as an architect. Here is a very partial list of my clients and my diverse technology stack. I'm a certified Google Cloud architect and an avid speaker. Great, so let's go.